Grain and livestock markets closed mixed to lower Monday. This is the American Ag Network. I'm Corryn with this closing market wrap-up. It was a lively start to the week across the broader markets, but the early energy ultimately worked against the grain complex. Corn finished the session down 1 to 2 cents after making a 2-week high overnight. Soybeans fell 2 to 5 cents after reaching a 1-month high and appeared poised to post a bearish outside day lower. Wheat was down 4 to 7 cents after touching a 6-week high earlier in the session. Weekly export inspections offered little fresh encouragement. Corn inspections totaled 1.51 million metric tons, slightly above last week and within expectations, with marketing year inspections running more than 53% ahead of last year, well above USDA's current export projection. Soybean inspections came in at 1.324 million metric tons, modestly lower on the week, with year-to-date shipments still running well behind last year's pace. Attention remained focused on South America, where Brazil's soybean crop continues to grow larger on paper. Production's estimates raised to 181 million metric tons, citing generally favorable conditions, although dryness in Rio Grande do Sul remains a concern. In Argentina, recent weekend rains helped some western areas, but stress is expected to increase in central and eastern regions unless more widespread rainfall materializes in early February. Wheat futures faded after early strength as concerns over winter kill eased following beneficial moisture across the southern plains. While some damage is suspected in parts of the northern plains and Midwest, it remains unconfirmed, and large global wheat supplies continue to weigh on the market. In livestock, futures were higher across the board. Live cattle and feeder cattle were supported by technical follow-through, firm cash fundamentals, and winter weather, while lean hogs found strength from improving cash prices and reduced slaughter. Cash cattle trade remained quiet to start the week, with expectations that business will again be delayed until late in the week. Taking a look at closing numbers, we have March corn down 2 1/4 at 428 1/4. March soybeans down 6 at 1061 3/4. March wheat down 7 at 522 1/2. March Kansas City wheat down 11 at 529 3/4. March Minneapolis wheat down 5 1/4 at 569. Moving over to the livestock complex, we have February live cattle up $1.12 at 236.02. January feeder cattle up $1.90 at 366.70, and February hogs down 5 at 88.30. Thanks for joining me for this closing market wrap-up. I'm Corryn with the American Ag Network.